Welcome to A Wealth of Wisdom. As a man with an ambition to thrive and taste success, you can't afford to miss out on today's potent message. We dive into the profound insights from a true maven of holistic health, Dr. Gladys McGarey, whose illustrious career has spanned over 7 decades. Dr. McGarey is not only a distinguished medical practitioner but also an author and a luminary credited with the foundation of the American Holistic Medical Association. Throughout her tenure, she's been on an unwavering quest to redefine how we grasp healthcare and personal well-being, emphasizing how the gist of healing intertwines with love and life. Caught up in the fast-paced world of 2024, do you ever pause to consider the core of your health and happiness? It's remarkable how, amid the plethora of options for modern treatment, the compass of healing points within. True enough, Dr. McGarey's son, an orthopedic surgeon, captured the essence of healing when he realized that it was the amalgamation of his skilled hands and the inherent restoration power within patients that culminated in true recovery. As we delve further into the depths of holistic healing, we're compelled to reflect upon the memorable encounter Dr. McGarey had with Mahatma Gandhi. Even a fleeting moment can ignite a lifetime connection. Dr. McGarey's ethos circles back to humanity's diverse strength, the power to choose, and the free will accorded to us. She proffers that it is within this very power that healing germinates. Grasping onto love, life, laughter, labor, and listening, Dr. McGarey imparts the foundational 5 L's, embodying a philosophy of holistic wellness. These principles stand as pillars for a life well lived, channeling the very energy of growth, mutual understanding, and joy. How to incorporate these 5 L's and embrace love as the bedrock of well-being. Prioritize taking steps, literally and figuratively, towards maintaining your vitality, enjoying nourishing meals, finding your community, and listening to the stories of the experienced, like Dr. McGarey. Invest time to understand your unique path to wellness. Fuel it with freshness, community, and a little bit of laughter, and you'll find the road to success a lot more rewarding. Our society, deluged with technological advancements and myriad opportunities, real estate investments, stock market trading, and the burgeoning prospects in digital marketing can easily divert us from attending to our personal healthcare narrative. Yet, Dr. McGarey's accounts serve as a powerful reminder to look inward for healing and outward for community. Toward the end of our discussion, a bold yet compassionate vision unfolds of a village for living medicine where love reigns supreme at its core, a concept not only revolutionary in the field of health but also resonant with the paths of personal finance, growth, and community development. Isn't it astonishing how an idea founded in love has the potential to innovate across diverse domains, including online banking, insurance, and law? Before you head off, make a commitment to yourself. What strides will you make towards a healthier, love-centered life inspired by the enduring wisdom of Dr. McGarey? Don't forget to enhance your life trajectory by subscribing, liking, and hitting that notification bell. Gain exclusive access to content like this that could redefine your views on health, success, and personal fulfillment. Remember, knowledge wedded with action transforms lives. In the spirit of relentless progress and searching for deeper understanding, dare to ask yourself, can you implement Dr. McGarey's teachings in your journey? Can her perspective on love revolutionize your approach to personal success and holistic health? Until next time, keep aiming for that divine masculine, let wisdom speak, and fortify the foundation of your life with the profound insights from pioneers like Dr. McGarey. Stay empowered, stay informed, and seize the vitality that life has to offer. Here's a powerful notion that can revolutionize how you approach every day. Imagine acknowledging that your day concludes not when every task is ticked off the list, but when you choose to end it, embracing the inevitable presence of more tasks ahead. By adopting this approach, it's recognizing one transformative truth: that time, unlike any other resource, is irreplaceable. Once it has passed, it's gone forever. It's time to dive into the secrets that the elite few billionaires, Olympic athletes, top-performing students, and entrepreneurial visionaries know about mastering time management. Let's take a leap into a concept resonating with simplicity yet changing lives: 1440. It's not just a number, it's the amount of minutes each of us is gifted every single day. Imagine the potential of those minutes. Just one can be pivotal for your health, knocking out a quick workout. A singular moment can be worth a lifetime in relationships, simply by expressing your affection. In the realm of business, it only takes a fleeting instance to spark a brilliant idea. With this understanding, suddenly those minutes become too precious to squander. Making got a minute? Interruption's a thing of the past. Now, tackling your most important task, your minute, should be the first order of business daily. What will catapult your company ahead? Which project could secure that promotion? When you isolate that dominant domino, you set yourself up for a cascading effect of success. Here's a wake-up call to productivity: scrap the to-do list. Yes, you heard that right. It might surprise you, but those who climb to the highest echelons of success don't rely on them. Why? Because a staggering 41% of to-do list items never get completed. Instead, let your calendar guide you. Blocking time for specific tasks ensures they get the attention they deserve. Procrastination, what a formidable foe. But here's the kicker: you can outsmart your future self. Set up success markers, like placing your gym shoes out the night before. Beat tomorrow's excuses with today's preparation. You've likely felt it, that creeping realization that there will always be more on your plate. Seasoned high achievers know this and work with intention. They allocate their 1,440 minutes not just to work but to life, family, health, and joy. Noted visionaries have a simple tool in their arsenal: a notebook. Ideas and inspiration strike at the most unexpected times. Capturing them creates a wellspring for future innovation. Control your inbox, don't let it control you. Your email, your rules. Notifications should serve you, not distract. It's time to cut the cord on constant alerts and choose when to dive in. Meeting culture, it's time for a revolution. Assess their necessity and, if they must happen, insist on brevity. Claim back your critical productive time. The power to say no is monumental. Every yes to someone else could be a no to your goals. Prioritize what directly impacts your targets. Remember the Pareto principle. It's a game changer. Consider that 80% of your outcomes may come from 20% of your efforts. Identifying those impactful efforts is key. What about your innate strengths and passions? Lean into them. Perfection is a myth. Delegate when you can, and focus on what truly thrives under your touch. Thematize your workdays to maximize efficacy. Distinguish between focus days, buffer days, and free days, strategizing your week for peak performance. Here's a swift hack: if a task takes under 5 minutes, do it now. One-touch management can expedite your workflow. Early mornings can be your sanctuary for personal growth. Before the day's chaos ensues, enrich your mind, body, and spirit. This foundational time sets you up for sustained success. Finally, acknowledge this: productivity is less about the clock and more about energy and focus. The 1,440 minutes we all get? They're the playing field, not the coach. Keep your body fueled, take regular breaks, and commit to focused attention on single tasks. Mastering these sprints and rests can unleash your true potential. So there you have it, 15 timeless nuggets of wisdom to transform your approach to managing your minutes. As you harness these insights, let them change not just your schedule, but your entire life. Remember, these are the secrets that have propelled countless individuals to the zenith of their potential. And before we close, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and ring that notification bell if you want to stake your claim on the benefits shared in this video. Your support keeps these insights coming. And now, it's your turn. Which of these time management truths will you implement today? Decide on one action step, and let's make those 1,440 minutes count.